All right, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do the oil reset maintenance light on a 2015 Subaru Forester XT. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to put the key on the on position. You can do this while the car is running or while the car is just all accessories. So right there, we are required to change the engine oil and then the oil filter. So right here, what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to toggle these guys. So either up, down, or this is our kind of like enter button. So right here, so you're going to be toggling right through there. So once we hit this menu right here is pull and hold set button. So we're going to pull towards us and hold it. In the meantime, while that's doing that, that menu is going to pop up, and then we're going to scroll down to maintenance. Right there, we're going to go ahead and pull this guy right to us. That's going to be the enter button. And then right there's engine oil. We're going to go ahead and reset the maintenance for that. You can either set the day, or you can actually set the just the mileage. So we on this one we just do by distance, and then we're going to go ahead and reset the same thing for the filter, 4,000 miles. Go ahead and then once you want to exit out of that, you're going to press enter, and then go ahead and setting complete. And that is pretty much it. And then if you didn't want to do that, you can do it for all the tires and all that. So I don't do it that way, so we just kind of do it for just the engine oil, and then the oil filter. And that's pretty much it. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future. And thanks for watching.